Hello everyone, now continue to design report on the single member. Click on the column, right click, generate report for member. This is the design summary in the Tekla Structural Designer. You can zoom in and add more detailed report by clicking on the member report column. Now I want to add the design calculation. Or you can add the CO4, bending moment, deflection shape, action, torsion, and design calculation at the end. Click on design calculation, select the static. You can click select the static, and so for the seismic analysis, setting, click on the setting. Console for the critical combination, critical section lead. I want to use it in different level. You can select the 9 level. It is very detailed calculation node. I want to use 3 level. Click OK, torsion, right click, load filter or envelope, adjust for or envelope, deflection, load filter, and select load cases. Or you can click again, edit a new. With load we select, can add and select the load cases. We select for the load and line load. Bending moment, right click, so the envelope, see the same, so the envelope. Click on the OK. Please wait. Now so we are creating pages from page 1 to the end page. Please waiting. Okay, now complete. Scroll down to check the report. Click on the report index to check lateral restraint, strut restraint, shear, and bending moment, deflection, static design, classification, shear, measure shear, minor SC. Can check here. The classification of the section. Continue to the shear measure. Scroll down. To check more detail about this report for the formula. Click on the page setup, change the letter to the A4, click OK, and export to PDF file. Thank you for your watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.